Hola, my name is Guillermo, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make authentic pan de muerto. Alright, the first thing you want to do is mix your dry ingredients together. We're going to start off with 1.5 cups of flour. 1. And that's a half. Now we're going to do 1/2 cup of sugar. One teaspoon of salt. A tablespoon of anise. And 2 packets of yeast. And we're just going to mix that together. Alright, now we're going to move over to the stove. We're going to put half a cup of butter, which is 1 stick, in a pot. And then we're going to put 1/2 cup of milk. And 1/2 cup of water. We're going to put this on the stove until it melts. Alright, now that we've got our butter and milk melted, we're just going to pour that into our dry ingredients and mix them together. Then you're just going to keep adding flour until you get the right consistency. Now you're going to add 4 eggs to the mixture. And you're just going to continue mixing and adding flour until it feels like the right consistency. Alright, now we're going to knead the dough. To do that, you want to get a board like this, and you're just going to sprinkle some flour on it. And you're going to put some on your hand so it doesn't stick. Just spread that out. And you're just going to pick up the ball and just work it until it's real smooth. Alright, now that we're going to set the dough aside to let it rise. This can take like up to 90 minutes. So what you want to do is take a glass bowl, grease it up, and just take your dough and set it down in the middle. And then take some press and seal. And just let that sit. Alright, so it's been about 1.5 hours, and as you can see, the dough has risen quite a bit. So now we're just going to take it out and knead it again. So now I've just cut the dough up into some different pieces that I'm going to be using to make the shape, and I'm just making here 3 strands like this and a ball. And now I'm going to put those on a sheet and we're going to bake. Alright, so now before we put it in the oven, we got to turn the oven on, so we're going to preheat it to 350 degrees. And while that's warming up, we're going to put the bread in the pan. First thing you want to do is grease the pan. And you take your big spot, your big piece, and kind of make it into this shape like this. I'm just going to take these and drape them over it. Ball on top. Sort of just shape it however you like. And then when the oven gets hot, we're going to put it in there for about 30 to 40 minutes and should be good. Alright, the bread is done now, so now we're just going to take it out and set it on the cooling rack. Alright, while the bread is cooling, I'm gonna make a glaze to pour over it, and I'm just gonna start with half a cup of orange juice, and half a cup of sugar. Now I'm just gonna bring that to a boil until it thickens up, and I'm going to pour that over top. Alright, so the glaze has been boiling and is now thickened up, so I'm just going to take it over here, get this brush, and put it on top of the bread. I'm just going to sprinkle some powdered sugar on top.